Hello everyone, how are you guys today? I hope everyone is doing well. In today's blog, I will share to you my experience regarding Ficus elastica tineke or variegated rubber plant. This is Ficus elastica tineke, and I can notice that something is not right with the plant. If plant disease is suspected, we have to give careful attention to our plant appearance, and it can give a good clue regarding the type of pathogen involved. Pathogen is a bacterium, virus, or other microorganism that can cause disease. And pathogen may also be referred to as an infectious agent or simply a germ. I just can't see any visible pests, even the underside of the leaves. And I check her roots and stem. It seems that it's still okay, very fine, but I'm pretty sure if I will not do anything, she will be gone the soonest. I sprayed some pesticide, but invisible pest still in control, and it's not good as it should be. I mix half a cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide to 16 cups of water. Then soak the roots into the solution for about 6 hours. After a few days, I noticed that the plant looked better and those black spots stopped spreading to other leaves. Right now, I'm pretty sure that hydrogen peroxide solution eliminated those what seems to be the problem in the roots. It was my first attempt using hydrogen peroxide as a solution. Initially, I'm quite skeptical, and I just thought if something happened to her roots, I still can save her stem and node. I kept an eye on the plant to notice if it's getting worse, and fortunately, it was looking better each day, but her damaged leaves stays. I decided to prune those affected leaves with the nodes. At the same time, I will try to propagate. In my experience among those ficus varieties, this Ficus tineke is quite unforgiving. They were sick and damaged, so I hope I can have few successful ones. After you soak the plant in hydrogen peroxide solution and did not get better, you have to repot the plant with new soil and clean pot. I normally cut this top to give way to the new shoot later on. I applied wound sealer for plants, but in my observation, even without this sealer, it's still fine. This potting mix I use is comprised of 50% coco peat, 30% compost, and 20% rice hulls. It's easier to work with the potting medium if they are moist, so I normally moisten them beforehand. Water sparingly, because in my experience, unlike other varieties of ficus, this tineke is very particular when it comes to water. I normally moisten the medium whenever the surface feels dry, and I add water until it feels moderately wet, about 1 inch below the surface, and avoid overwatering. After 3 months of propagation, here's the mother plant. Whenever we take cuttings from the mother plant, it will grow back under where we cut it. The mother plant produced 4 new growth. I want to have more InfectedTineke, so I had decided to cut 2 growth from here and to be propagated again. I will leave these 2 tiny growth because they're still small to be separated from their mother plant. I suggest if you will propagate top cutting, you may cut the very center part of that cutting, just to give way to a new growth and not just a new leaf. You don't see any new growth here, but as long as their leaves aren't dead, just keep an eye and be patient. This leaf looks deteriorated, but new shoot is emerging. And now I will transplant them into a permanent pot filled with houseplant potting soil. By the way, earlier I forgot to mention this. Check for roots 3 to 8 weeks after potting the rubber cuttings. Very gently tug on the base of the stem and feel for resistance, which indicates that some roots have formed. I don't do an ICU method because I'm in Malaysia and we have a tropical weather year-round. Most importantly, grow the cuttings under the same warm, bright, and humid conditions. Avoid placing them in a dark and closed area. This is amazing because with just a single leaf and a node, I will have a new plant. I will replant these two mother leaf and hoping for a new growth later on. If you feel that they are rooted, you can place them where they can receive a morning sun or late afternoon sun. Variegated plants have the coolest leaves. They're usually white and different shades of green, but can also be pink. It is because of the light they are receiving. That's all for today. If you learned something new today, please like and subscribe and press the bell icon to get a new video updates. Marami pong salamat. Till next. Bye!